Flutter App Development, a perfect roadmap for 2023. You can create native apps for the Android and iOS platforms with a single piece of code. Additionally, it enables the Flutter App developers to create dependable and adaptable mobile apps quickly. You can create the greatest application quickly using Flutter App Development since it reduces the time and effort required by developers to create a mobile app. What is Flutter? You can create and publish visually intuitive mobile applications with the help of the Flutter SDK with the assistance of a Flutter App Development company. Flutter is a popular framework among which to choose as a result of technological advancements, followed by Stack Overflow and GitHub. What is Flutter Development Framework? Software Development Kit and a widget-based library are both Flutter Framework (SDK) parts. It comes with a set of reusable UI components, including sliders, buttons, and text inputs. Google created Flutter as a complete UI toolkit for creating cross-platform applications. Flutter App Development services cater to Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and Mac with full-fledged Flutter elements. It is renowned for its parts and an open-source, free toolkit for creating attractive apps. Flutter is based on which programming language? Based on the Dart programming language, Google created the Flutter programming language. By enabling the direct server-side execution of applications, the Dart scripting language seeks to displace traditional JavaScript. Pros of Flutter App Development. One codebase for all platforms. Widgets principle offers countless possibilities. Rich libraries. Hot reloading and quick testing. Cons of Flutter App Development. Large file size. Complex updating. The limited set of tools and libraries. Apps developed on Flutter. The trend of Flutter app development is growing continuously, and so is the demand for Flutter developers. The top software development firms provide the best Flutter app development services across a variety of platforms. It can create applications like Alibaba and Yandex, Airbnb, Philips Hue, Uber, Hooky, eBay, and many more. Is Flutter best for web development? Flutter is an ideal choice if you are planning to develop a web application that works seamlessly across a wide range of platforms. Flutter is a free and open-source software framework for building fast mobile apps for iOS, Android, and contemporary browsers. Flutter apps are typically written using Dart, an object-oriented language. This makes it easier to write apps that are structured, perform well, and are maintainable in the future. The interface is the part of the program that your users will interact with the most, thus it's critical to create intuitive and accessible interfaces. Flutter allows developers to modify their apps and increase the usability of their user interfaces. The interface is the part of the program that allows you to create a visually appealing front end and modify everything from the icons to the colors and app layouts. You may create apps for Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. As a result, companies can interact with customers in ways other than through cell phones. Additionally, it contributes to a company's brand's value and visible growth. This framework allows startups to create serverless apps with Google Firebase as the backend, allowing for a short development cycle. Why is the Engineer Master Solutions your Flutter app development company? We have Flutter programming experience and skills, as well as a team of creative designers and project managers to handle any challenging project. Flutter App Development business discovers ways and standards to exploit the platform and produce unique apps with a Flutter-centric development team. As a result, we now know how to create a scalable and robust Flutter app with bespoke features using a mix of knowledge and creativity. We'll assist you in fast releasing smart apps that are guided by a defined process that includes assessing ideas and executing them in sync. To design and create the finest Flutter apps, we offer an MVP before final development and follow the standard development process. It would provide a detailed app image as well as a futuristic perspective. Read our full blog. Thanks for watching. www.engineermaster.in